So today I'm going to be showing you what I'll be trading for a low tier Halo. It doesn't matter which one, just any. If you like the offer, please comment down below if you want to do it. I don't like, well, I guess you can start. So I have 25,000 diamonds, so I'll be trading all of my diamonds for one. What else? Oh my gosh, I'm lagging. Oops. And then I'll be trading two of my corsets, Miss Lady Rose and Enchanting Her Room, and the Love Me Forever handbag, the classic ghost costume, the Starfrost things, the corset, and the cape, and then the reindeer crossbody bag, and sparkly candy cane ears, and what else is there? I think that's it for that. So let me show you the shoes. Okay. The fluttering butterfly heels, wedges in Wonderland, sky high butterfly heels, Batmo heels, adorable lace-up doll boots, and Dear Dolly heels. And then for the skirts, Dear Dolly, Miss Lady Rose skirt, Cottage Princess, a pleated skirt, Enchanting Her Room skirt, Cherry Blossom, and did I say Miss Lady Rose? I don't remember, but there's also Miss Lady Rose, and Fluttering Butterfly. And then for the wings, all of my wings. So the Castle Keeper, the pink ones, and then the rest of them. So that is my offer. Comment down below if you do it. Just for any low tier Halo, like it doesn't matter which one. So yeah.